Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we will see how to open the application. So basically there are two ways of opening an application. The very first way of opening the application is to click on the particular icon or to double click on particular icon. So in last year and in previous chapters also we have seen that icons are the small pictures that you see on your computer screen. So dear students, all these are called as icons. Okay, all these are called as icons. So the first way of opening the application is to double click on them. So I'll show you the image. Okay, right, it says using the desktop icon we can open the application, or second way is using the start menu. First of all we will see how to open the application using the desktop icon. Let us read the steps first and then we will try to cover this by practically. Okay, to open any application or to open an application, follow the steps. Step 1, click any icon on the desktop. So just now I shown you that there are different icons on my desktop screen, so I can pick any of them. Observe that the icon turns blue, and then third step is double click the icon. For example, if you click the computer icon, the computer window is displayed, right? So let us see how to open the application. So these are all called as icons, and among these the one with the arrow mark are called as the uh, applications. So basically you can see Typing Master Pro, yes, and there is the arrow mark, you can see there is a arrow mark. So this is the application, and this is also the application. This is Telegram, yes, application. Free Video Cutter, yes, application. All these are with the arrow mark are called as application. So I will show you how to open the application. We will take this example of Typing Master. So I will select the application first. What you have to do, simply you have to click that icon. After that just observe that it turns to blue. Okay, and now you can double click on it. So let me double click on it. Yes, the software is launched or the application is now opened. How to close the application now? Simply you can see there is a button at the top right corner which says close. Yes, you can see. Simply click on that. Right. Let me show you again one example. Double click on this application. I will double click on this application, Telegram. So this application will be opened. Now this is the Telegram application, right? Simply you can double click on the application. Google Chrome, Movavi screen reader. These are called as applications, right? Simply you can double click. Now another way of opening the application is from the start menu. For example, if you want to open the notepad, right, you can follow these steps. Click the start button, click all programs, click accessories and select notepad, paint or calculator, right? Anyone you can choose. So I will show you the same thing. Start button, yes, it is here only. Click this, click on all programs, okay, and among all programs click on accessories, right, accessories, and then select notepad or calculator or paint. All the options are available, so I will select notepad. So notepad application is opened, right? You can write anything, you can write your name. So I will show you how to write. You can simply type your name. So I have typed my name, you can type your name also, fine. When you press enter, it will come to the new line and you can type your phone number. Okay, right. So in this way you can, okay, it is asking now to save the changes. You can save it or you can skip it. So this is how you can open any application. Start button, I will tell you one more time. Start button, all programs, accessories, and any application. So I will open calculator now. So let us add 2 and plus 2 and press equal to button. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 multiplied by 3, 6 3s are 18. So like this you can do any calculations by using calculators. So that's it for today's session, dear students. In case of any query, difficulty or doubt, you can contact me at any time. And you can practice these practicals if you have computer or laptop at your home, right? Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.